All right, go ahead.
So it's a machine a lot like a coin store machine, except instead of coins, it recycles phones.
Okay.
Pretty simple, just touch the
Hi,
touch
I
screen.
can help you price your device. Please select your device type.
So we're going to do a cell phone here, an old 3GS that's broken.
Do you have the device with you?
I could search, if I didn't have the device, I could still search for a price, but I have it with me, so the machine
Next,
will
I
do the
will
work.
scan your device and estimate its value. Don't worry, you can get it back at any time during the process. Will your device power up if the
Yes,
battery is
this one
charged?
powers up.
Please remove any stickers, cases, or straps from your device.
No stickers or cases.
Take the sticker I just printed and stick it on the middle of the back of your device.
Sticker we put on at the beginning to track the whole
this sticker
thing
is
through the
easy to peel off.
process.
Place it on
Please
the
watch
back.
your hands.
Place it on the back. Now we put it in the...
Place your device in the center of the test station. Face up, please.
And now
Please
the
watch your
cameras and the
hands.
artificial intelligence system are going to go to work and figure out what it is, and then start to look
I will try to
for any
figure
kind of
out what
damage,
kind of
broken
device
screens,
this
that sort
is.
of thing. This usually takes less than 30 seconds or so.
Did you know that nearly 75,000 tons of used phones are thrown in our landfills every year? That's enough phones to fill a freight train 20 miles long. And by the year 2020, there will be so many old, unused, or broken electronics that they could fill enough dump trucks to circle the Earth twice. We will be done soon. Did I get it right? Is this your device?
Yep.
I can pay you the range of prices shown, depending on the condition of your device. Did you know that EcoATM pays higher prices for more devices,
depending on
broken
the
or
final
not, than
condition, these
anywhere
are the
else?
price ranges at the moment.
Would you like to continue?
And if you wait, it's going to go down. So now, the machine knows what it is.
Please watch your hands.
So we're going to do the next step of inspection. It's presented
Please
the
locate
one
and connect your
connector
phone
for
to the green cable I
iPhone.
have
There's a bunch of
presented.
connectors in there, but this is
It's at the
one.
very front of the inspection
So now
station,
we connect
in the
that.
middle.
Place it back.
Please.
And now the machine is going to go through another inspection cycle where it does an
Please watch your
electrical
hands.
and then a little bit deeper on the visual to see if
Okay,
there's
I am
busted
inspecting your device
LCD,
now.
that sort of thing.
This is my favorite part. I love finding a new home for old devices. I will search for the best price I can find. Did you know that used phones contain toxic stuff like cadmium and mercury that can enter our water system if thrown in a landfill? Thanks for your patience. We will be done soon. Okay, I have finished all of the tests and have also shopped worldwide for the highest bidder for this device, and I can pay the price shown. Would you like to take that offer?
So now we're going to go through and sell it. This is the checkout process. We do everything we can at this point to discourage any
Please
kind
press
of
your driver's
stolen phones
license
or that
against
sort
the
of
scanner
stuff.
glass to your right,
So we
and
take a
then
driver's
press the scan
license.
button. You should know.
And then it actually verifies the driver's license that you're over 18 and it's a valid license and all of that.
Don't forget your license. Please check the boxes to agree
Now we
to the
have
terms and conditions.
here. We'll accept those.
Your thumbprint is your
And
signature.
then we actually get
Please
your
press your
thumbprint
thumb
as well.
to the red. Okay, this is the last step to sell your device. Once you press.
All right.
I'm more than sit back and watch drink.
Now the robotics are going to
Give me just a moment while I
bin
finish
the
processing
phone
this
inside.
device.
Just watch all the eye-candy.
Not to brag, but in 1 year, a single EcoATM machine saves enough energy by collecting and giving thousands of phones a second life that it is equivalent to the energy savings of taking 21 houses off the grid.
Okay, now the best part is where the money
We
comes
will be
out.
done soon.
Okay, so
I
we
can
can
help you
sell,
with
if we
another
wanted to
device if
process
you have
more, we
more.
could build a cart.
Or
But I'm
I
going to
can
check
you
out now. And then I give an option to give
Would
some
you
to
like to
charity.
donate
So
a-
I'm going to give a little bit,
Please
not the
select
whole
a
thing,
charity
but
for your donation.
Wounded Warrior Project, I'll
You
give
can donate any part or
20
all of the value
bucks.
to charity.
Keep the other 25 for myself. So it's
Thank
a
you
good
for
charity
supporting your
fundraising
charity.
option. We work with a lot of charities that we present.
I can send you an email
You
receipt.
get an email receipt
Enter your
if you
email
want it.
address. I am counting out your money now. This should only take a moment.
And now it spits out the cash. fake cash in this instance. But in real life, it's real money.
Don't forget your cash.
And that's it.